Hi guys, welcome to Database tutorial. So today we are going to see how to create an interactive web page in our Tableau dashboard. So for it, I have created a map chart consisting of all the states that I am placing in my dashboard. Now I want that whenever I click on a state, I get its details in a Wikipedia page. So for it, what I will do, first I will just resize my map chart here by placing in the dashboard. Next, I will go to objects and click on web page. I will drag the web page in my dashboard. I will not enter the URL as of now. Just click on OK, leaving it empty, and just resize the web object and give it good amount of space in your dashboard. Now next, go to the dashboard tab and click on actions. From the actions, click on add actions. In the add actions, click on go to URL. In here you can click on the run action or to select and select the map chart here. So I have already selected the map chart here, and next click on URL target as web page object. So now you have to write the URL. For URL, go to the Chrome and whichever URL you want to add. So here I want to add the Wikipedia page, so I have added the Wikipedia page, and in the as you can see the state is written. So I don't want the state as a static value, I want a column of state there. So I will select my state column there from insert. Now I will click on OK. So what it will do, it will connect my map chart in the dashboard to the web object. So whenever I will click on the state, the URL of web page will change from that state. In the end, where I have selected the column of state, so that state column will be coming as per my map chart. So now our interactive dashboard is created. So that's it for today. Take care and happy learning.